Assalamu alaikum, ma'am.
Walaikum salam. How are you, Suhaib?
I'm fine, ma'am, and you?
I'm fine, thank you. Hello, Zarish.
Hello, ma'am.
How are
Good
you?
morning.
Good morning.
I'm fine. How are you, ma'am?
Thank you. Hello, Bilal.
Yes, ma'am.
बिलाल को नींद आ रही है बिलाल को
Yes, ma'am. A bit.
Okay, so hello, Fareed.
Good morning, ma'am. How are you?
Good morning. Fine, how are you?
I'm fine, ma'am. Thank you.
Good. Okay, let's start. Okay, let's look at this. Okay, so I would like you want to solve this, and then just tell me your name, and then we discuss it, and I give you a point for this. Is that clear? ठीक है? Hello. Hello.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, please
Okay,
solve
ma'am.
it. Then tell me your name as soon as you finish, and then I will give you a point and we will discuss it together. Okay, so I want you, this is the work that was given to you previously, and we are now going to discuss it as a class. Okay. So I give you 1 minute to work on this, and then you tell me, right? Okay, who has finished? Okay.
Hello, ma'am. Good morning.
Good morning. Chand Khushi, please solve the problem that you see so that we can then discuss it together.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, attendance लगा लिया आपने?
बेटा आप अटेंडेंस लगाने आए हो सर?
No, ma'am. वो मैं मेरी कनेक्टिविटी का इशू था तो मैंने पूछा इसलिए.
हाँ जी, अटेंडेंस मैं लगा रही हूँ साथ साथ. I can see the participants. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, who can start now? This is a problem that you've already done, so it's not the first time you're seeing this problem, right? So I think you should be able to do it. Otherwise, it means that the first time I gave you this problem, you did not do it yourself. What does that mean? ये किया हुआ है ना problem? Okay, who can tell me the answer? Have you reached the answer? आप लोगों का होमवर्क कौन करता है? Yes, Sohib Tahir.
क्या मैम?
बेटा आपने ये सॉल्व किए?
मैम अभी कह रहा हूँ, मेरा खुद ही अनम्यूट हो जाता है.
Zarish is not here. She was here in the beginning and now she's disappeared.
Ma'am, the spring constant of B is 8 times the spring constant of A.
ऊंचा बोलो.
That would be the answer.
बिलाल ऊंचा बोलो.
Ma'am, spring constant of B is 8 times the spring constant of A.
Okay, so according to Bilal, the spring constant of B is 8 times the spring constant of A. Okay, what's your answer, Amelia? ये बिलाल ने हमें बताया ना? Bilal's
Yes,
answer is
ma'am.
8 times. Okay. Who else would like to contribute? Chand Khushi, what's your answer?
Ma'am, मैंने अभी करना है.
अच्छा, Alina?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, 8 times. I'm going with Bilal.
Okay, Alina is also saying 8 times. Okay. Amelia, what's your answer?
मैम 8 टाइम्स ही है.
ये है. अच्छा.
मैम 8 times ही आ रहा.
Soheb and और कौन है? Anyone with a different answer? Okay, Bilal, can you explain how you got this answer? Bilal, you get the point if you explain your answer.
Yes, ma'am. I'll explain it. As ma'am in the question given that work done W1 जो स्प्रिंग कांस्टेंट A का आंसर है ना वो डबल है उसके B के.
So what's the formula we are going to use here?
1/2 K1 X1.
1/2
K.
K
Yes, ma'am. And X.
X.
According to the springs constant, we can spring A and spring B. और उसके बाद में जैसे
एक मिनट. Okay. Half KX is the formula for what? Is equal to what?
मैम वर्क W.
Is equal to W. एक मिनट रुक
Yes,
जाओ
ma'am.
यहाँ पे. अब दोबारा देखो. Is this formula correct?
मैम X के ऊपर स्क्वायर है.
Square है. Yes. Okay. So we have a square. So this is the formula you're going to use. Okay. हाँ जी आगे बोलो.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, as given in the question, W1 is equal to 2 W2. Means
W
it
A
would
और B कहो ना. देखो A और B कहो because we are labeling them as A and B. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. WA is equal to 2 WB.
Okay.
So, and then half that distance X over 2 आ जाएगा. WA के अंदर जाएंगे ना तो इन दोनों को जब पुट करेंगे 1/2 के X के इसको X over 2 पुट कर देंगे. उसके बाद जब स्क्वायर लेंगे तो जो नीचे वाली साइड ये वाली इधर. यस मैम एग्जैक्टली. अब इस तरफ
ठीक है.
जी मैम. मैम अब जो ए वाली साइड है यहाँ पे x/2 कर देंगे एज गिवन इन द क्वेश्चन हाफ द डिस्टेंस.
हाफ डिस्टेंस हाफ है.
जी
अच्छा,
मैम हाफ करने के लिए.
ये वाला
यस मैम.
यूं
यस मैम.
ठीक हो गया. ओके. सो हमारे पास आ गया हाफ के ए एक्स स्क्वायर्ड ओवर 4 इज इक्वल टू के बी एक्स स्क्वायर्ड है ना.
यस मैम.
तो ये कैंसिल हो गया. सो के बी
मैम ये देखें ना जब हम 4 को इस 2 से डिवाइड वो होगा मल्टीप्लाई होगा तो वो 8 हो जाएगा और के के नीचे आ जाएगा. तो
Okay.
it would be equal to K A is equal to 1/8 K is equal to KB. तो जब ये दूसरी साइड पे हम 8 को लेके जाएंगे तो डिवाइड हो रहा है उधर जाकर मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा. देन इट वुड बी इक्वल टू K is equal to 8 times of KB.
अच्छा एक्चुअली पता क्या हुआ है आपने उलट कर दिया है ए और बी को है ना.
यस मैम.
यस मैं ये बी में होना था.
हाँ ये बी था और ये ए था तो इसलिए आपको थोड़ा सा वो हो रहा है. सो दिस इज बी एंड दिस इज ए. अब ठीक हो रहा है.
यस मैम.
सो दिस इज अगेन इसको ए बी उलट हो गया. सो वी गो एंड
नो मैम
करेक्ट.
स्टिल जो 2 होगा वो B के साथ आएगा ना.
एक मिनट. अब ठीक है. सो के बी
यस मैम.
इज इक्वल टू
ma'am.
8 के ए. सही है.
यस मैम अब ठीक है. यस मैम अब ठीक है.
Okay, so Bilal gets the point for this. Okay, so now I'll give you another problem. Okay, I would like you to solve this problem. Okay. And meanwhile, I will be again marking your attendance. So let's see. Amar, Abu Bakr, Fatma Babar, Muhammad Usman, Anam Basharat, Bilal Muhammad, Hamza Dar,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Fariduddin,
Yes, ma'am.
Kessler, Zaresh, Zaresh just logged in and logged out. I don't know why. Okay. So, Haris, Muaz, Ibrahim, Huma, Alina, Hunain,
Present, ma'am. Alina.
Alina. Okay, so Rana Shehbaz. राना शहबाज भी आया था और गायब हो गया. Right, okay. Sania, Arisha, Chand,
Present, ma'am.
Maiza, Yusuf Patras, Abira, Nadia, Hayan, Cheryl. Hayan, are you there?
Present.
Cheryl, Ashreb, Huda Zahur, Amelia,
Present,
Bisma,
ma'am.
Amelia, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Bisma, Sadiqullah, Sohaib, Talha,
Ma'am, Suhaib present.
okay, Ali Zulkarnain. Okay, so now let's come back to the problem. So if you've solved it, please tell me your name and then we discuss it. You can start by telling me the answer, then we go into the detail. Yes, I would like to try.
Ma'am, the answer is 112.25 meter per second.
Naam batao.
Fareed.
Fareed. Okay, Fareed. Just a moment. Okay.
Ma'am, same 112. मेरा 112 आ रहा है.
एक
25
मिनट.
तक.
Fareed कितना है? 112.
0.25 meter per second.
अच्छा, दूसरा बच्चा कौन बोला था? Who was
Ma'am,
the second?
Suhaib.
हाँ?
112 meter per second. Suhaib.
Sohaib. Okay. Okay, Fareed, please explain how you got this.
Ma'am, the main formula is force is equal to mass into acceleration.
Okay.
Force, ma'am, we have 70 Newton and mass given is in 0.5 gram, that we equal to 0.0005 kg.
Okay.
And then we have distance S, that is, where is this? 4.5 cm.
This
That will
is
be equal to
right.
0.045 meter.
Okay.
Then we will use the formula Vf square minus Vi square is equal to 2As. Then we will take the Vi to the other side.
Okay.
मैम Vi दूसरी साइड पे ले जाएंगे क्योंकि Vf will be 0 as it hits the tree.
Okay. So Vi squared is equal to 2A.
मैम
नहीं?
मैम no मैम Vf square minus Vi square is equal to 2F. मैम Vi दूसरी साइड पे चला जाएगा क्योंकि फाइनल वेलोसिटी 0 हो जाती है. So it will be Vf square is equal to Vi square plus 2As.
Hmm. Okay.
Vf square is equal to Vi square plus 2As.
Okay.
मैम हमारे पास Vf 0 होगा
Hmm.
क्योंकि हिट कर जाता है. उसके बाद ये था Vi square is equal to minus सेकंड ये का V square 0 V square. देन हमारे पास मैम रह जाएगा Vi square is equal to minus 2As.
Okay. Hmm.
देन मैम A की वैल्यू इसमें आ जाएगी. A की वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे तो इज इक्वल टू माइनस Vi square डिवाइडेड बाय 2S.
Okay.
देन मैम हम एक्सेलरेशन के फॉर्मूला को फोर्स के फॉर्मूला में पुट कर देंगे.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
हम वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट करनी है. अब
करो.
मास की वैल्यू थी 0.0005
Okay.
मल्टीप्लाई बाय वेलोसिटी की वैल्यू कहाँ गई. इट वाज जस्ट अ सेकंड मैम. यहाँ से हमने वेलोसिटी को अलहदा भी करना था.
वो कैसे?
मैम ये 70 इधर है. ये मैम मास उधर जाके डिवाइड हो जाएगा और 2As मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा.
जी. मास किधर जाएगा?
मैम दूसरी साइड पे, फोर्स वाली साइड पे.
ओके. सो इसको मिटा दें. राइट.
यस मैम.
राइट. सो मास इज इक्वल टू.
मैम Vi इज इक्वल टू आएगा.
ओके. ओके.
मैम इट विल बी 70 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 0.045 डिवाइडेड बाय 0.0005 इज इक्वल टू Vi. मैम Vi के ऊपर स्केयर आएगा.
ओके.
मैम माइनस था तो ये स्केयर की वजह इसके उधर दोनों साइड पे स्केयर रूट ले लेंगे
ओके.
वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट करने के बाद. देन मैम आंसर 112.25 मीटर पर सेकंड आएगा.
अच्छा. सोहेब, आपने इस तरीके से किया?
यस मैम.
आपने नहीं. यस मैम नहीं. सीरियसली, दिस इज नॉट
Yes,
द
ma'am.
ओनली वे टू डू इट. किसी और ने डिफरेंट तरीके से किया? किसी और ने डिफरेंट तरीके से किया? बिकॉज देयर इज अनदर वे टू डू इट एंड एन इजियर वे टू डू इट. हैज समवन डन इट लाइक दैट? कैन समवन सजेस्ट दैट? यस, बताओ, मैं दोनों को पॉइंट्स दे दूंगी, जो जो बताएगा उसको पॉइंट्स मिल जाएंगे। यस, okay, so you don't want to contribute. Okay, Fareed, your answer is correct, but let's also look at another method of doing it, another way of doing this. Let's see. So far so good. Let's try to do it with another method. Okay, so let's see. Who would suggest the other method? Who can give us an idea about the other method? Yes. We know that, we know that work is equal to change in kinetic energy, right? We can use this. And we know that work is equal to F multiplied by displacement, right? So, and this force is opposite to the displacement. This is equal to F into minus F into delta X, which is the displacement. Fareed was using S for displacement. You can use S if you want, but you can also use X in some books. X is used in our book. X is also used, and in some books you have D also being used for this. So this is initial kinetic energy minus final kinetic energy, and you know that the initial kinetic energy is 0 and minus half mv squared, right? And from here we can then find V, okay? So we have half into delta X is equal to, no, sorry, F into delta X is equal to half mv squared. So V squared is equal to 2F into delta X divided by M. So this is equal to 2, you can substitute the values and you can have 2 multiply by 70 multiplied by 0.045 meters divided by 0.005 kg. This is V squared. And if you want V half, then you can take the under root in this case. So you can also write the under root as this whole raised to half. And then you can get the value which we have already given above. The value calculated is 112 meter per second. So this is equal to 112 meter per second. So, okay, thank you, Fareed.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so let's look at the next one. So the next one is okay. So let's erase the present one. Okay, so please look at this statement and solve it. Okay, first solve part A. Let's only solve part A at the moment, and then later on we can talk about part B. So just solve part A. What is its power output during a launch? Okay. So just do the first part. Don't worry about the second part. We can do that later. So let's only do the first part. So the first problem was solved by Bilal. The second problem was solved by Fareed. Who would like to try the next one?
Ma'am, can I?
Alina. Yes, Alina.
Ma'am, like power, we have to find the power. So the
Yes.
power formula is power is equal to work over change in time.
Yes.
Sorry, like we did before, like work is equal to change in kinetic energy. So over time.
Yes.
And if we put the formula is 0 minus 1 over 2 mv square
Okay.
over time.
Okay.
So the mass here is 1000 kg
Okay.
and is 2.0 kilometer per second over 55 seconds.
Just a moment.
Sorry, it's okay.
Kilometer per second. Okay. Over 55 seconds. And this will give you what? The power?
It yes, 36.4.
What's the answer?
36.4.
What? 36.4 what? What's the
It's
unit?
sorry,
The unit of the power.
MV.
What is
MV.
What is MV? Like this?
Capital M. Sorry, ma'am. I'm capital MV. What?
Capital M
V.
V.
What?
V carry you know V. Alina?
Ma'am, W.
Dekha? You're just relax.
I'm sorry, I'm not feeling well.
Okay. So what the symbol for what is? W. And what is M? What is M?
Sorry, ma'am.
M. What is M?
Ma'am, megawatt.
So is there a mistake in what we've done? Can anybody point it out? Can anybody point out a mistake? Alina, you will get
Ma'am, isn't
point.
we supposed to divide 1 by 2
Huh?
also? In the formula of kinetic energy, there is 1/2 mv square.
Yeah.
Put value
Yes,
only
you
for
have to
mv
put
square.
you have to put a half as well. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Another problem.
The answer might change, ma'am. Then,
Huh? Can you notice another problem?
ma'am, half डालने के बाद आंसर चेंज
Answer change हो रहा है.
होना तो चाहिए.
Just a second.
कैलकुलेट करके देखो.
मैम किलोमीटर की जगह मीटर नहीं आएगा?
Yes, good. कौन बोल रहा था? फरीद. Yes.
फरीद.
Good, Fareed. So that's important, right? तो फिर हमारा आंसर सही आता है. Is that right? So यहाँ पे हमने क्या करना है? Instead of kilometers, we have to erase this and write it as कितना हो जाएगा ये? 10 raised to 3
Power three.
ठीक है ना? अब ये सही हुआ है. वरना ये कैसे मेगा आएगा? मेगा आएगा ही नहीं अगर हम ये कन्वर्ट नहीं करेंगे. Is that right? ठीक है. So you get the point, Alina, and I will also give a point to Bilal, and I will also give a point to Fareed for helping us make the corrections. So that was good. Alina का नाम क्या है? Okay. Okay, so this was the homework that I gave you, the last homework. You remember? So we have been discussing the last homework that was given to you. This was, which chapter is this? From which chapter was this question? You remember where we studied this work, energy theorem and so on? So we were mostly using the formulas from chapter number. And yeah, this chapter is also a part of your final exam. So this is also a preparation towards your final exam. Is that clear? So these formulas.
Is that answer is correct?
Which answer is correct?
36.4.
Yes,
Is that correct?